I'm not a rapper, told y'all I'm not a rapper. I'm a Golden Globe nominated actor. This is just a chapter, singing folk songs in my attic, save those for after. I eat the game for breakfast, right now I'm just snacking. What chick should I fuck next? Tell me your favorite actress name. It'll be the Walk of Shame meets the Hollywood Walk of Fame. I'm James Dean meets Walk a Flock of Flame. Here to unlock the game, fuck her so hard that she may never walk the same. Only in competition with myself, I'm suicidal. Do or die, the new American Idol, holding a rifle. Baby Jesus on a dash, preacher man clutching the Bible. I don't pray for success, I just pray I never stay idle. If I wanted to be these other rappers, I'd probably be them. If I wanted to see these other rappers, then I could see them. I know they thinking, but D, you're up like Europeans. They don't be letting rappers up in the places we in. Man, I'm just trying to win. Tell me it's now or then, it's whenever I feel. Don't let me relapse again, don't get me back in that Benz. Don't get me back to my sins, don't get me crashing the party lest you attaching a lens. If I have one goal, one dream before it all ends, it's to die happy and make this real life look like pretend. Enemies and enemies always make for the best friends. So I'm cool with everybody, but I hate everybody, amen. Money to the ceiling till the fan can't even spin. They say to your peers, what you think about them? I'm in a league of my own, they better leave me alone. It's sad it took another man to make y'all get in your zone. Hey, check my resume, I've been killing shit every day. Rap, folk, rock, pop, I've been killing it every way. Tours on tours, man, I've been killing it every state. Check the cleanest corner, we really killing it every day. Really illy, you feel me? I'm busy, don't call me, I'm sorry. I'll hit you tomorrow when I'm having a party. Cause the only thing worse than not living the moment is celebrating and realizing you weren't a part of it from the start. Shit, I'm half-hearted, half-tired of rapping and satire. Fuck bitches like Quagmire as I pass by you. Fuck your brand and fuck your stand and fuck your underhanded compliments. I'd rather have some real accomplishments than all that nonsense hype. I don't like it, I don't try it, I don't buy it. I work for mine, I'm stay on autopilot. Man, I wait in line, fuck a VIP, I'm not trying to be too good for anybody.